Hey Brett, Brandy, or Ariana, not sure who will be viewing this video, but my name is Sylas from Ascension Marketing Agency, and the point of this video today is I hope that it brings you value. First of all, I hope that what I talk about today can help you guys take 3G home exteriors to the next level in business. So I'm going to be showing you guys how your website is performing, what your online presence looks like, some tips and tricks on how to boost that, and I'll show you how one of your competitors in the area is doing as well. Okay, so let's get started. The few things I'm going to go over today is content, backlinks, and citations. Now, first off is content. So when it comes to content for your homepage, at least, you want to have around 1,500 words on your homepage worth of content. And it's not only words, but pictures as well. So if you see at the bottom left of my screen over here, if you see my arrow, when I hover above these images, you can see that your folks' name, 3G Home Exteriors, is showing up as well. So that means whoever did your website saved these pictures properly, and whenever someone sees these pictures online, clicks on them, it takes them to your website. Okay, so words and pictures, videos, that's good. All of that is considered content. And you also want to have some sort of content on these other tabs as well. It doesn't have to be 1,500 words worth. It actually shouldn't be, but at least something to show Google that, like you're relevant and you deserve to be seen. All right. Now, a big thing with content is something called keywords. And a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And these keywords can range from anything depending on your industry, and they can be placed anywhere on your website. All right, now an example of a keyword is what I typed in right here, roofing Fort Myers, Florida, because I know you guys service Fort Myers, but you can also do anywhere else that you service as well. And it doesn't even have to be where you service. It can be like roofing repairs or something like that. But that's a little bit more general. So you type in roofing Fort Myers, you get these companies that pop up here. So I went with Apex Roofing and Restoration to do a little side-by-side comparison on how they're performing versus you guys. So if we dive a little deeper into your website over here, 3G Home Exteriors, we'll notice that you guys have 693 keywords found on your website, and that is amazing. So that's really good, and it's bringing you guys about 188 traffic per month to your site. So in other words, 188 people are visiting your site because of the 693 keywords found on your website. And we'll dive into what those keywords are a little bit. Now, if we look at your Apex Roofs, we'll notice they have 245 keywords, so a little bit less, but they're bringing in 1.1 thousand traffic to their site per month, right? So we'll go ahead and take a look at what your keywords are and what you're being found for. So carport installers near me, that's 1,000 volume. Mastic siding doors, 1,000. So the thing is, you guys are being found. So what I'm looking at is over here is what people are searching up in Google, and over here shows how many times per month they're searching that up. And over here is where you rank in that position for that keyword. So the thing about these keywords, sorry if you can hear my dog barking, but the thing about these keywords is that they're a little bit more general, and anyone in the world can be searching these up. So like lanai repair, or picture window screen, or like take this mastic siding colors, they're not necessarily looking for a service. So they want more buyer intent keyword, meaning you want someone who's looking up, let's see here, maybe like backyard drainage system installation Fort Myers, something like that, or lanai repair Fort Myers, or Fort Myers lanai repair restoration, something like that. That's a little bit more intent on them buying your service. Okay, so now what you can do is you can come here, one of your competitors in the area, take a look at what their keywords they're being found for. So a lot has to do with their name. So you wouldn't want to copy that because that doesn't really apply to you. But roofing restoration near me, that's getting 300 searches a month. Let's see what else. Ireland roofing, no. They don't have many buyer intent keywords either, but they are getting the traffic, probably because of these right here. But anyway, yeah, you want to try to figure out what are some good keywords that people may be searching up in your area to buy a certain service that you provide. Now, next that we're going to go over is backlinks. And a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. And this, in Google's eyes, is like a trust factor because it's as if that other website is vouching for yours. So what I mean by that is there are 223 other websites out there mentioning your website 332 times. So these 223 sites have a link to your website 332 times, right? And that just helps get your name out there and people can be visiting other sites but still click on yours. So if we look at how Apex Roofs are doing, they have 77 different sites mentioning their name 3.2 thousand times. So obviously they're probably getting a lot of their traffic because of their backlinks as well. Now the thing when it comes to backlinks is that yes, quantity is good, but also quality, because you don't want your roofing company link, your website, to be named in some sort of cat and dog website, right? Because there's no relevance there. People on that site are probably not interested in clicking on a roofing website. But if it were in a website about maybe types of different roofs or how to repair a little hole in your roof, like a blog about that, then that's much more relevant and you'll most likely get some sort of traffic out of that. So that's backlinks in a nutshell. Next, we're going to go over citations. Now, a citation is anywhere you find your business name, number, and address shown just like how it is on a Google business profile. And these citations help you rank in the Google Map Pack, which is right here. And this is huge for local businesses because it's a huge proponent in generating huge revenue, right? And you can get citations by listing your company name, number, address in directories like Yelp, Angelus, Yellow Pages, Better Business Bureau, and there's hundreds and hundreds more out there. So getting your name out there, number, address is very important if you want to be seen over here. Because the idea is that when your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet, the larger your online presence is and the more Google trusts you. So once Google sees you more often than others, then the more likely it is that they'll rank you above them, if that makes sense. So to briefly recap, the stronger and, well, I guess the more that your name, number, address is out there, so citations, then that's how you get found over here. So boost that up if you want to be found over here. And not only for Fort Myers, but anywhere you service or anywhere you're planning on expanding, right? And then keywords, backlinks, and that'll help you with organic traffic, and that helps you get found in the organic results. So my goal is hopefully that you learned something today that you can go ahead and implement into your website so you can get found over here and over here organically when people are looking for your services. So guys, I hope that was helpful. Brett, Brandy, and Ariana. If you learned something or if you found this helpful, please let me know. I would love the feedback. I'd really appreciate that. You got any questions or need any help, you can feel free to contact me. All right. But other than that, have a great day.